All right, guys, I recently came across a truck that had turned off of the main road onto a driveway, and because the driveway had a thick layer of ice on it, the truck had slid off of the driveway into some trees and now was going to have to be pulled out by a cable on a tow truck or a wrecker. And later on, you will see that this driveway with the ice on it is so dangerous that the truck can slide even while it's in park, not even driving. This tow truck driver did a great job by himself of getting this truck out of the trees, back onto the main road and onto his rollback. So here we go. Well, there you go. That guy did a great job, got that truck safely out of the trees and onto his rollback wrecker. And that was some cold, scary stuff, but that was some good stuff.